Hi, my name's Terry Brown. I wanted to tell you my story about my experience with Anthony and Lynette with the Roosevelt Law Firm, Homeowners Relief Alliance with my place. I first bought my place in 2004, and by 2007 the economy dropped, I lost my work, and I couldn't manage this place anymore. So the mortgage company said they were going to foreclose, so I just moved out. I didn't want to fight at that time because I didn't see any way of improving things with my work. So I had moved out, and this place had sat vacant for years and years without the foreclosure. It was still deeded in my name. So I kept checking on it through the years, and finally in 2016 I says I'm going to try to move back and keep this place. I really love it here, and so I moved back in, started fixing the place up, and then the mortgage company started proceeding with their foreclosures. And they set one up, and for some technical reason they had to stop it, and finally they set another foreclosure up, and I tried to work something out with them, and they said that there's no help that I have that can stop the foreclosure. The only thing I can do is accept a move out program where they give you a little money and you get out of here. Here I was already over 100 months behind, and I didn't see how in the world they were going to work with me on that. So I called and see if I could work with them, and they said there's nothing I can do. So I got on the phone and researched help, and I found Homeowners Relief Alliance. Got on the phone with Anthony, and he reassured me that we can save this place. So he immediately got on the phone with me to the mortgage company. He set them straight basically on, we're going to work to save this place, and it really gave me confidence. And Anthony Fiore is a phenomenal guy. He up front just took over, and I felt really comfortable working with him. And he reassured me that we were going to do something with this. And I really had my doubts because of being so far behind. So finally, he gets the foreclosure stopped, and I was amazed. And he gets me in touch with Roosevelt Law Firm, and then Lynette starts working with me there, and I felt like family between Anthony Fiore and Lynette. They made me feel like I was a person and not just a number, because so many times you deal with companies and you're just a sheet of paper. They look at it and deal with it, but with them I really felt I was a person. They stayed in touch with me. Anthony was calling me just about every day to make sure I was okay, make sure I had updates on what was going on. He would give me a list of paperwork that I needed to get, and I would get it right up for him. And he was so nice about that. He wouldn't complain if I didn't have something right. He would just try to stay on top and make sure we got it in at the right time. So I love Anthony and Lynette. Both are just terrific. But they worked hard to get this mortgage modification through, and then finally called me up and gave me the good news that my mortgage had went down about $600 compared to what it was before, and I had $190,000 of back interest and late fees and all kind of fees, and most of those had to be wiped out because my mortgage dropped $600. Now I can manage it and be able to make it work. And I love this place. It's my ranch. I got 15 acres and a house that I want to just live here forever if I could. So the modification is going to really work for me, and I couldn't have done it without Anthony Fiore and Lynette, their family. I want them to come down and visit me, and I want to have a party. Love these guys. But thank you, and please don't hesitate to use these guys. I was nervous because of all the scammers in the world today, and I really was nervous that this might be, but Anthony reassured me that, just relax, you're in good hands, and I trusted him, and I'm glad I did. So please don't hesitate. Thank you.